I absolutely love a quick and easy dinner idea that the whole family will love, and this queso pasta was such a hit I couldn't wait to share it with you guys, so let's go. Okay, so here is the cast of characters. Not a lot of ingredients, which I love so much. Okay, we're gonna start by cooking our pasta. According to the package, I have my water lightly salted. We're gonna cook this pasta just until it is al dente, kind of like this right here. Go ahead and drain it. All right, set it aside. Now we're gonna brown up our ground beef. Dump it in a pan. All right, you can season this with whatever you want to. I got some salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of cumin, chili powder. Just, season it up just how you like it, okay? We're gonna fry this bad boy on up until it begins to brown. All right, this is very lean, so there wasn't a lot of fat, but you wanna go ahead and drain off that fat if you have a lot of fat in there. Next, we're going to add in our queso. Use your favorite brand here. If you don't have a favorite brand, I like to look on back, and if I don't know what the ingredients are, if I can't pronounce them, then I don't get it because I want the homemade taste without actually having to make it homemade. Okay, there are my rotel tomatoes going in there. Go ahead and stir this on up. It's looking like a good old dip, right? Yes. Okay, so now we're gonna add in my pasta, and here is my favorite part right here. I love this part. I don't know why, but just stirring this up and getting all that pasta coated in that salsa con queso. My favorite part. Love it, love it, love it. Give it a taste. You can add any more seasoning if you want to. I didn't need to. And then I'm gonna add in some 4-cheese Mexican blend, the shredded cheese. Finally, shredded cheese is gonna melt down really, really quickly. Just go ahead and stir that up. And then finally, I'm going to add a pop of color. It needs some color to it, so I added in a whole bunch of parsley, dried parsley. You can use fresh parsley, but that's it. Dinner is ready. Get some salad, garlic bread, and you're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Later.